Hi guys, today I've got 3 easy ponytail hairstyles for you. Hairstyle number 1 is this beautiful braided boho ponytail. We're going to start by curling the hair, and I'm just working on small sections and twist wrapping these around a curling tong. I'm going to make sure that I alternate the direction I curl the hair every time I start a new curl. And then just carry on curling the hair until you've completed the entire head. Once everything's curled, we're going to take some texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and we're just going to apply this all over the crown area and along the sides of the head. Now we're going to take thin sections of hair from the crown, lift them straight up, and then just back comb the bottom couple of inches just to give it a little bit of volume. Now just flip these back comb sections back and smooth out the top layers as you go. Now just gather the back combed area into your hands, and we're just going to tie this off with a clear elastic band. Grab some texture spray, again I'll pop everything I've used in the description below, and just pinch and pull at that crown area just to create a little bit of texture. Now we're going to take the hair on the right hand side, so everything from the ear up, and we're going to do a fishtail braid. So to do that, we're going to split the hair in half, and then we're going to take a section from the left hand side, cross it over and join it to the right hand strand, and then take a section of hair from the right hand strand, cross it over and join it to the left hand strand. And just keep braiding this way until you reach the middle of the back of the head. As you're braiding, make sure you hold this in the direction you want the braid to lay. Now add some texture spray to that braid and use your fingers and really pinch and pull each individual loop to make it nice and voluminous. And we're just going to repeat the same braid on the left hand side of the head. So once you've got everything braided, just take hold of that left hand braid, and we're just going to pull it over towards the right hand side, roll the ends under, and then just pin it to the head with a bobby pin or two. Now take hold of the right hand braid, and again we're going to bring it over to the left hand side and pin it underneath that previous fishtail braid. Next we're going to grab a slice of hair from the right hand side of the head, and we're going to twist this towards the head and bring it over to the left hand side, and again pin it in place with a bobby pin or two. Add some texture spray to that twist, and then just gently pinch and pull to give it more volume, and then just repeat this on the left hand side. So grab a slice of hair, twist it towards the head and bring it over to the opposite side. Pin this twist to the head, add some texture spray, and then pinch and pull at that twist. Now to finish this style, we're just going to take a slice of hair from the left and the right hand side of that hair we've got hanging down, bring this together at the front and secure it together with another elastic band. Now just pop the ends of that section through the hole to create a twist, and all we're going to do is pass a few fingers up through that hole whilst rotating our hands downwards, and we're going to grab the remaining hair and pull it through that little loop we've just made. Then we're going to pull on the side sections just under that elastic band to tighten everything up. Add some texture spray to that ponytail, and here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Hairstyle number 2 is this beautiful, loose, easy, wavy ponytail. We're going to start off by loosely curling the hair. I'll pop my tongue in the description below for you. But all we're going to do is take small sections of hair and wrap them around the barrel of a tong. So make sure these aren't laying flat. And as you release it from your curling tong, give the ends a slight tug just to loosen up that curl. And just carry on this way until you've curled all of the hair. Now we're just going to divide out the front of the hair by running a comb from the top of the head to just behind the ears and clip this out of the way for later. And repeat this on the opposite side. Add some texture spray to the remaining hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now taking those two side sections, all we're going to do is twist both sides towards the head and then just bring them together at the back of the head and secure them together with a clear elastic band. Pop your fingers behind that elastic band, grab the little ponytail and pull it through just to tighten up the twists. Now we're going to slip our whole hand behind that elastic band so it's around your wrist, and then rotate your hand so it's pointing down. Then grab all that hair that's hanging down and pull it through that little loop we've created around our wrist. Then just tighten everything up by pulling at the edges underneath the elastic band. Now we're going to secure the twists to the head with a couple of bobby pins on each side. Next, grab your texture spray and apply it all over those twists and the top of the head. Then we're just going to gently pinch and pull at the twists on both sides and also at the hair at the crown just to give it more texture. Finally, pinch and pull at the twists that wrap around that ponytail. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And for the third and final ponytail, we've got this beautiful curly twisted hairstyle. Start by curling all of the hair. Next, I'm just sectioning off the crown area of the head and adding some texture powder. And then I'm just taking thin slices of hair at the crown and gently backcombing them. Then, working on the right hand side of the head, again I'm just taking thin sections and giving them a little tease and then just smoothing everything over with my comb, and then just repeat this on the opposite side of the head. Next, we're going to section off the crown area of the head, so I've just used my thumbs to create a circle along the top of the head, and I'm just going to pop this into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then, holding onto that little elastic band, just use your finger and thumb to pinch and pull at that crown area just to give it a little bit more messy volume. Next, we're going to work on the right hand side of the head, and we're going to take a section of hair from the ear up and just give it a smooth over with your comb. We're going to take this round to the back of the head and pass it just underneath that little elastic band and pin to the head using a bobby pin or two. And then gently pinch and pull at this section so it's not too tight and it matches the volume that we've got on the top of the hair. And then we're just going to repeat the same on the opposite side. So bring this section round to the back, pick up that ponytail and kind of wrap it round and tuck it under and pin with another bobby pin. Again, use your fingers to gently loosen up the hair so it's not too tight. Take a small slice of hair from the left hand side and the right hand side of the head and bring these together at the back and join them with another clear elastic band. Now pop your fingers through the little hole behind, pass the ponytail up and pull it through with your fingers so you create a nice little twist. Tighten up that ponytail just by pulling, and then holding onto that little elastic band, gently pinch and pull at those twists just to give them a bit more volume. And to make sure everything meets up, we're just going to give that twist a little push up so it meets that top section and secure to the head using a bobby pin. And we're just going to repeat the same steps again, so take a small slice of hair from the left and the right hand side of the head. Bring them together at the back and create another little ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then pop your fingers behind that elastic band where their little hole is, pass the ponytail up and pull it through to give you another small twist. Tighten up that ponytail by just tugging on the edges, then gently pinch and pull at those twists just to give it more volume and pin to the head. I've just applied some texture spray to the curls. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favourite.